basically we have arithmetic operator, we have assignment operator, okay, we have comparison operator, okay, we have logical operator that are or and or not, we have ternary operator. I will let you know. Okay, these are the basic operators which we are going to study. Today we are looking at the operators. Okay, let's start working on it. Do the programming of each and everything what I am doing. Right? Comparison operator. Okay. So what are our arithmetic operators are? Plus, minus, into, division. They are our arithmetic operators. So suppose, let me create a new file operator. Dot arithmetic operator. So yesterday I have given few values. I have told you about let, const, okay, and var. So let me create a variable let x. I am slow in the starting. Now the see speed will increase. Is equal to 10. Okay. Now number is equal to 10. By number. We are studying operator Anu equal to. So
Yep.
first operator is arithmetic operator. Okay. So let's do some uh, do some arithmetic operator. See, the speed will increase slowly, slowly, slowly. We'll go with big programs. Console dot log for addition. Console dot log for if I want to go with x minus y for subtraction. Console dot log. Suppose I go for multiplication. If I go for division, okay. Percentage is also there. This is modulus. What is modulus? The remainder. Okay. What is modulus? Remainder. So if I can have console dot log x. There is one more operator that is exponential. What is? I am not able to pronounce this. Exponentiation. Okay. That if I give 10 into 3, exponent 3, so it will be multiplying 10 by 3 times. So suppose I give like this. Console or you see word is coming. Okay. So these are the arithmetic operators which I have used. So what I can, if I go over here, if I run this program, So it is printing me all the values. So these are basic our arithmetic operators. After this arithmetic operators, we have some assignment operators. Okay. What are all those assignment operators? Let's check it out. See guys, you have to do daily practice because I guarantee after 2, 3 days, if you don't practice, this course will become so heavy, okay, that you haven't seen this, you haven't done this, or you have to practice daily. That A colon number is equal to 5. Suppose I give this, okay. So if I do, say one thing, A is equal to A plus 5. Okay, this is fine. If I print it, console.log A. So what it will do, it A is 5, 5 plus 5, 10. It will give me the output as 10. Fine. Now another way to write the same thing is if you go and put like this, A plus is equal to 5. So the above thing which I wrote, console.a, this A is equal to A plus. Now this is the short form. This will again add 5 for it. Currently its value is 10. If now I add it, it sorry. I haven't printed it, sorry. Console.log. If I printed it also, if I run it now, so it is showing. I can do like this, -2. So A is equal to, if I want to reduce a value by 2, so I can give it like A is equal to A minus 2. Now it will be something 13. Okay. So you can do multiplication also. A is equal to A into, say, A is equal to A into 2. So means 13 into 2, it will do 13 into 2. If you are not understanding, let me know. And you always use to do programming paper and page. Okay. Write down on a page. If you want to learn on console like terminal, you can't learn programming. To learn programming, you have to always use pen and paper. Write it on pen and paper, you will learn it. Okay. Now this will be 26. So these are our arithmetic assignment operators. Write down this program. Then we will see the comparison operator. Okay. So let's see the comparison operator. Guys, if you are taking the images and you are thinking that you will do it tomorrow or in weekends, that won't work. Practice with me. As you two is the best. Now, next is comparison operator. What is comparison? Comparison is basically less than, greater than, equals to. There are one more special comparison operator available here. That is strict is equals to. I will teach it. So let's check our comparison operator. Hmm. So suppose I create a variable speed is equal to. Okay, I created a variable. Now I want to just check. Is speed greater than 50? So how can I do it? Console. We'll be using comparison operators in our if and conditions. I will teach you. Okay. Just currently I am letting you know what are all the operators are there. Speed is speed greater than 50? Yes. So it will give me true. See, it gives me true. If I give speed is greater than equals to 50, it will again give me true. Yes, it is. If I give say speed less than 40, okay, no, it will give me a false. So there are many ways. There are many things we will be looking into it. So it will give me false. Okay. This one thing known as strict equality. Remember, this is an interview question. 100% interview question. What is strict equality? So suppose I am teaching you strict equality. So suppose I have a variable. I have a variable of number, say I have created a num variable. And I create another variable that string str. I am creating another variable string. Anu, are you understanding the things? Right.
Yes, yes.
So I've created another variable that is string. Now, there are two equalities are there. This is a 100% interview question, guys. If they ask what is the difference between double equals to and triple equals to. Triple equals to concept I have seen here only in TypeScript and JavaScript. I haven't seen it in any of the previous languages, C, C++, Java. I have done. Okay. So I'm using here console.log. Okay. So I give num equals to shift. Now here I'm going to stick this equal to. Now if I give triple equals to here and run it, sorry, it will give me true over it. Okay. Because both have same values. Both have same values. Fine. Now both have same values. See what I am doing. Now I give. Now if I give like it started showing me false. See here 5 I gave, but here it is showing me false. Because it should show true because 5 is it is showing 5. Okay, fine here. But this is a strict equality. Means the data type is not same. It is showing me the error because data type is not same. Got it? So, so this is a difference between number and string. This is a difference between number and so strict equality compares the number as well as its data type. It compares the number as well as its data type. Got it? So this is the strict equality. I make it as comment because it will show the error. Next is logical operator. Logical operator, logics, true and false. Logical operator means true and false. So we have just a second. Sidesh, question. What are all the logical operators we have? Sidesh, are you there?
Yes, yes, yes.
Logical operators. What are all the logical operators we have? Pooja? So we have three logical operators. Sidesh, you have to learn many things, okay? Work on it. So we have three logical operators and or not.
Okay.
Okay, and or not. Okay, so and means both the values are true. Or means at least one value is true. Not will reverse the value. Okay, remember this thing. See, these are the basic engineering things you should learn. Right? And both the values should be true, or at least one is true, not will reverse it. Okay, reverse the value. Right? These are the three logical operators here. Okay, see guys, now I am giving you theory here only. Okay, so when you write the program, when I ask you to write the program, write this theory also. So suppose I have a variable, say I create a variable let as I see, and I create it as boolean is equal to true and give the value as true. Okay. I create another variable is registered and give the value as false. So two variables I have created over here. Okay. So one is boolean, one is has ID and another is registered. So now let's put AND operator over here. So one is true, one is false. So if I put console, we'll use them in if else condition, don't worry, but these are the operators class. If I give console.log as ID and is registered. So now see what I have done. I have given two values has ID and is registered as ID small d. Okay. Now it's the AND operator. So one is true and one is false. So in AND what happens? True only, both are true. Both should be true. Now, but one value is false, so output will come as false. So if I run it, so it is showing you out. Now, if I put OR operator, see, AND sign is this dollar. Fine. Now, if I go with OR as ID or is registered. Okay. If I go over here, so OR means what I have told you, true. If at least one is true. So if I run it out, it will give me true. Okay. And another is not. It will reverse it. If it is true, it will be false. And if it is false, it will be true. If we go over here, okay. No. So has ID is true. Now it will reverse it and make it as false. Okay. So these are the operators. See, these are not the interview questions, but they are the base. Few of them don't know anything about programming, so I am teach. But they should know. You should know, but you are not knowing. So these are the base we should understand. One is another. So what we have done with the till now: arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operators, and logical operators. Okay, there is one more operator that is known as ternary operators. See, I will come on them again. Okay, but kindly just check it. Ternary means three. Ternary teen three means three. So suppose I have a variable let age is equal to 20. Okay, I have a age. Now I want to put a condition like this. If age is greater than 18, then access is allowed, else access is denied. Okay. In driving and all this thing, we have something like this. Scenario operator. Okay. If age is greater than 18, I have to check a condition. If age is greater than 18, then access is allowed, else not. So I create a variable C, let status, status, message. Okay. I create a status message. And give the condition here. Age greater than equals to 18. If greater than equals to 18. If it is true, then give access granted. Else, if it is not true, give access denied. Fine, and print it. So what we are doing, we have an age of 20 years. Now I am putting a condition over here. I am putting a condition. Remember, see my video again. If you don't understand, if you are not able to understand, then also ask me. I am giving a condition. Age is greater than, if age is greater than 20. If it is true, then go with this. Access granted. If it is false, keep with this. So it is greater than equals to 18, 20 years. So it will go with access granted and it will assign it to status message. Okay, it will assign access granted to status message. So the person greater than 18 will get access of driving after 18, voting after 18. Okay, so it is access granted. Fine. So these are all our basic operators. Got it? Anyone, any issue?
Abhinav, one question, Abhinav, not on the operators as such, but
Mhm.
as you were telling yesterday, right, the TypeScript is built on JavaScript, right? And this TypeScript being from Microsoft, should we give that?
Anup, you are breaking. Can you ask me again?
No, I was asking this TypeScript which was built on top of JavaScript, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the TypeScript being specifically from Microsoft, should we use the semicolon at last? Abhinav?
See, uh, semicolon, I have seen it is optional.
Okay.
It is optional. If I delete it, okay, and now I try to run it, okay, you will
It
see
still
output
works.
is coming.
Okay. Okay.
It is
Okay.
optional, but this is my habit. Man, I am using Java from my childhood. So
Yeah,
if
yeah.
I see the
Same here.
semicolon, I love to put the semicolon.
Same. Okay.
Even
Got
I
it. Got
see I am doing the Python also, I got stuck. Oh, semicolon I have put in.
it. Got it. Got it.
But it accepts. Okay.
That's it. Thanks. Abhinav.
And people love something.
I had been in Microsoft technologies for
So,
long, so semicolon is something that I don't use more. So
yeah,
that's
no, I have a habit. From 12, 13 years, I'm using Selenium, doing coding in Selenium.
Selenium. Oh, got it. Got it.
Yeah, with Java. So I have a habit of semicolon. So in TypeScript, I found it is we used to put that semicolon. So I have a habit of putting same here. If you don't put,
Okay.
no issue.
Okay. Thanks.
But in Python, it does not work.
Ah, yes.
Right now.
One more question, Abhinav. For the most part, we use only let, right? Not VA or character. How is that? Between var and let, like which is most used frequently, or is there a reason that we use always let? Abhinav?
Okay, done. So now let's check the if statements. Some statements we are going to check. Okay. See, guys, you have to do practice the TypeScript. Okay. What I am doing, I am giving what are the concepts. I'm giving the programming also. But you have to try at least five, six different programs. Check it out, Google, ChatGPT. You have to do it. Okay, daily practice. Tomorrow, if you come to me, see, I'm not able to how to write this, and so this everything depend on practice. Everything depends on practice. Okay, statements. If statement. Daily 5 programs will make you a perfect. You can get a job anywhere after 1 month, I guarantee. If daily 5 programs. What we have done today, Google it out, 5 more programs for the day. 100%. No one can stop you to get a new job. Put your own efforts. Okay. If you are free, you don't have job, then do 20 programs. So now see, I have given a speed of number is 75. So I am giving a basic if statement. We are using now basic. So what is the basic if statement? If simple speed, I am not giving any else condition here, greater than 60. Okay. So this is the basic. Is this correct? Speed greater than 60? Yes, speed is 75. So if I run it now and give over here, if it is fine. Now if I give speed 80, it is great. Speed greater than 80? No, it is not. So see, it is not going to print because this condition is now false. This condition is now okay. So if this condition is true, then only it is going to come into this block and print. If this condition is going to be true, then only it will come to this block and print it. Got it? Second is if else condition. So now we should have the second block also, the false condition also. So say I give let age number is equal to 60. I gave age as 60. So I gave if greater than equals to 18. Okay. Then we can say console.log you are eligible to vote. So person is eligible to vote. Fine. Else. Now come else. Now if this condition become false. Okay. There are true and false in everywhere. Okay, true or false. So else, if this condition is not, so I can say dot log, you are not eligible to vote. Okay, so now the condition is 16. So the child is now 18. Okay, if it is greater than 18, then only he can or she can vote. Okay, else he or she cannot vote. Okay, so if I run it out, so see, you are not eligible to. Got it? Got it. Sudesh, Sudesh,
Yes, Abhinav. Got it.
Yes, sir.
are you getting?
Yes, yes.
Hmm. You have to practice a lot. Okay, got it?
Yes, yes.
Let me know any issues, but practice is the only key to success. Next, if I have multiple else, if I have multiple else, suppose I give let the test score, someone has score number is equal to 85. Okay, and I am not giving a value. See one thing, I am not assigning a value to a variable. grade. I have not assigned any value. I have not assigned value to grade. I am putting as undefined. Okay. Now if I go with conditions, if so suppose if score is greater than 90, then what I am doing, put grade as A. Okay. Now close this bracket. Else, I want to put another condition. Else, again, if dash score, suppose is greater than equals to 80. Okay. Then grade equals to B. Okay. Else, suppose if it is not, if I say it is greater than 70, okay. So you can give as many if else condition, if else, okay. Score greater than equals to 70. Fine, guys. We can say grade equals to and the end. I don't want to, if she suppose it doesn't fall under this, then it should be fail. Okay. Else, just give grade equals to and print it. Console.log and I'm printing the grade. Okay. Remember yesterday I told how to use this. Okay. If you don't remember, see my video or you have not practiced. So if I run it now, so it is showing me grade. It is 85, which is greater than 80. Okay, so it has given me. So if it is 85, so it will test grade greater than equals to no, it is not. Now it is checking if grade is greater. Yes, this is mine, so it is putting it. Now if I give 75, okay, I run it. It is C. Because now it is saying greater than 75. Yes, C. If I give it 65, 65 is a failure. I gave wrong. So it is a failure. Okay, so this is if condition, if else condition, if else if condition. So we have three conditions, the three conditions. Write it down, guys.
Yeah, Abhinav, I had one more question, Abhinav.
Hmm.
So between VAR and let, right? I think for the most part we are using only let, correct? Not the VAR.
Yes,
Right?
yes,
Any specific reason for that?
yes. So can you give me the difference between let and rat? Let
No,
where?
what is the
Okay.
uh,
What is the difference
uh,
between let and where?
LAT is like a local variable, VAR is like a global variable, right?
Hmm. Yes. So currently I'm happy to use where also, but the issue is that currently we are not using any dependencies. Okay, we are not
Okay.
importing or exporting.
Hmm.
Fine. We are not importing and exporting anything. So in future, when we have a encapsulation, okay, when we have a something known as private and public variable, then we will be using the concept of other thing.
Got it.
Okay.
Got
In encapsulation, you can create a private variable. You want to hide the things, then we'll be using it. Okay. See, in Java also we use the public variable most of the time. Okay.
it.
So
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
it can be accessible for the basic programming. But if we go with our framework creations and OOPS concept, then we go with the private things also. That is encapsulation. Fine. So you can use it also. No issues in it. But to be friendly, yes, good question. But to be friendly, to keep a variable friendly, we use let.
Thanks, sir.
Abhinav, hello.
Write it down. One more minute. Done, guys. See the recording and do it. Fine. I can give you the code also, but I want you to see the recording and do it. No.
I think Abhinav, someone had a question.
Yeah?
Someone had a question.
Yeah. You have a question? Anu, question? Any question from your side?
Not from my. Someone was asking you something.
Okay, okay. I got to drink the water. Who was asking?
Abhinav, Siddesh is there.
Well,
Yeah, wait a second. I will share.
yeah, what happened?
Yeah, I have shared the screen. I have using the command prompt, still not getting the output.
Mm, mm. Brother, you are not saving the things. Have a habit of saving the things. Control S is the button.
Control S is there.
Yeah, Control S. Save it.
Yes, already saved.
No, it is not saved. White button. I can see white. Yes, now it is saved. Now run it.
Control S done.
Saved. Now saved. Run it.
Okay.
See, go. But you should have a habit. Go in the Google. Search how auto save is enabled on Visual Studio. Run it. Now it is
Okay.
giving the.
Okay.
Okay. Google it out. How auto save is enabled on Visual Studio. I
Okay.
know, but I want you to check it out. Fine.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
Okay. And have a habit of saving everything. Because if you go to company tomorrow, data is lost, man. I didn't save it.
Okay.
You cannot say like this. Fine. Have a
Okay.
habit.
Okay. So before doing the output, we have to save every time.
Yeah, then it will not go in the cache and everywhere in the RAM.
Okay.
So
Okay.
where from where they will pick the things. Okay. So have a
Okay.
habit.
Okay.
Anyone, any
Thanks.
questions?
Abhinav,
See.
can you share a screen for the last statements program?
Okay. Check it out.
Uh, Above, I think if statement.
Okay.
Hmm. Anup. Anup. Hello, Anup, are you there?
Yeah, Vinod, tell me.
See, you told the wrong thing. LAT has a blocked scope.
Global scope. Okay. Okay.
No, it do not have the global scope.
Okay.
Where has the global scope? Where has
Global
the complete function scope?
hmm,
And LAT is the block scope.
block scope.
Okay. So this means it only exists inside the curly braces. Fine.
Got it.
Where it is defined, if and else statement. Okay.
Got it. Got it.
Now, so see, I'm telling you more things. So what happens now if I declare a variable over here with let? Fine. Now you are using in another program, I am also declaring that variable. Okay. So it will show me that. Fine. Test score, I am declaring a different place also outside also, it will show the error. That's why for the leakage, to prevent the leakage. Okay. To prevent the accidental leakage. Okay.
Got it.
Let is used. Okay. That's why we are using let most of the time. Got it?
Okay. Thanks, sir.
So guys, done from your side? So we will be studying switch statement tomorrow and loops tomorrow. So try to grasp as much as you can. Okay. Today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday. We will study.